In the heart of a lush, green valley, nestled between towering mountains and meandering rivers, lay the quaint town of Rivertown. Here, amidst the tranquility of nature's embrace, resided a peculiar yet enduring creature named Moonpie. Moonpie was not your typical resident of Rivertown. In fact, Moonpie wasn't human at all. Moonpie was a small, fluffy rabbit with eyes as bright as the stars and a heart full of curiosity. Moonpie's fascination with the world around him knew no bounds. While other rabbits spent their days nibbling on grass and frolicking in the fields, Moonpie yearned for adventure. But unlike most adventurers who sought treasure in far-off lands, Moonpie found his excitement in the treasures hidden within Rivertown itself. One sunny morning, as the golden rays of dawn painted the sky in hues of pink and orange, Moonpie set out on his latest quest. Armed with nothing but his boundless curiosity and a keen sense of exploration, he ventured into the depths of Rivertown's lush forests, where secrets of the past lay hidden beneath the earth. As Moonpie hopped through the underbrush, his ears perked up at the sound of rushing water. Following the melodic trickle of a nearby stream, he stumbled upon a rocky outcrop adorned with ancient cave paintings. His eyes widened in wonder as he traced the intricate patterns etched into the stone, each stroke telling a story of a time long forgotten. Filled with excitement, Moonpie continued his journey, his tiny paws leading him deeper into the heart of the forest. Eventually, he came upon a hidden clearing, where a series of mounds rose from the earth like sleeping giants. With a curious tilt of his head, Moonpie realized that he had stumbled upon an ancient burial ground, a sacred place where the ancestors of Rivertown had been laid to rest. Undeterred by the airy atmosphere, Moonpie began to dig, his tiny claws unearthing relics of a bygone era. With each discovery, his heart swelled with joy, for he knew that he was uncovering pieces of history that had long been forgotten. But Moonpie's adventures were far from over. As he journeyed further into the forest, he stumbled upon a hidden cave, its entrance obscured by tangled vines and overgrown foliage. With a sense of trepidation tinged with excitement, Moonpie pushed aside the vines and ventured into the darkness beyond. Inside the cave, Moonpie found himself surrounded by glittering stalactites and stalagmites, their icy fingers reaching out to touch the heavens above. But it was not the natural beauty of the cave that captured Moonpie's attention, it was the treasures hidden within its depths. Determined to uncover the mystery behind the ancient treasure, Moonpie embarked on a daring journey into the heart of the enchanted forest. With his trusty backpack slung over his shoulder and the map clenched tightly in his paw, he ventured forth into the unknown, his heart brimming with excitement and anticipation. As Moonpie delved deeper into the forest, he encountered all manner of obstacles from treacherous ravines to towering cliffs. But undeterred by the challenges that lay ahead, he pressed on, his spirit fueled by the promise of discovery. After days of tireless exploration, Moonpie finally stumbled upon a hidden cave concealed within the dense foliage of the forest. With bated breath, he entered the cavernous depths, the darkness enveloping him like a cloak. Guided by the faint glow of his lantern, Moonpie navigated through the labyrinthine passages, his senses heightened with each step he took. Suddenly, he heard a faint rumbling sound emanating from the depths of the cave. Heart racing, Moonpi followed the source of the noise until he stumbled upon a vast chamber bathed in an ethereal blue light. And there, nestled atop a pedestal carved from stone, lay the object of his quest, a magnificent prehistoric artifact, pulsating with ancient power. With trembling hands, Moonpi reached out and grasped the artifact, marveling at its beauty and significance. Little did he know that his discovery would not only change his own destiny but the fate of the entire town as well. As Moonpi emerged from the depths of the enchanted forest, he was greeted by the astonished faces of his fellow townsfolk, who had gathered to witness his triumphant return. Word of his incredible adventure spread like wildfire, and soon, people from far and wide flocked to the town to catch a glimpse of the legendary artifact unearthed by the brave young raccoon. But amidst the celebrations and fanfare, Moonpi remained humble, knowing that the true treasure he had discovered was not the artifact itself, but the journey he had embarked upon, a journey of courage, determination, and self-discovery. And so, as the sun set on the horizon, casting its golden rays upon the town below, Moonpi reflected on his extraordinary adventure with a sense of gratitude and wonder, knowing that wherever life may lead him next, he would always cherish the memory of his journey, the journey of Moonpi, the intrepid raccoon who dared to dream and unearth a prehistoric treasure beyond imagination. As he explored further, Moonpi stumbled upon a cache of prehistoric artifacts, each one more wondrous than the last. From intricately carved bone tools to delicate pottery adorned with ancient symbols, the cave was a treasure trove of archaeological wonders. With trembling hands, Moonpi carefully collected the artifacts, knowing that each one held a piece of Rivertown's history within its grasp. And as he emerged from the cave, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, Moonpi knew that his adventures had only just begun. From that day forth, Moonpi became Rivertown's most beloved adventurer, his tales of discovery inspiring awe and wonder in all who heard them. And though he may have been just a humble rabbit, Moonpi's passion for exploration knew no bounds, for he knew that the greatest treasures of all were not found in gold or jewels, but in the stories of the past, waiting to be uncovered by those brave enough to seek them out.